my god.
Finally.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, Grand Slam?
Home run.
Hey. Hey.
Uh, home.
He didn't even look. He doesn't even look at the ball. He stares at the other team.
Dude, don't worry about it, bro.
Dude,
Dude,
this song is hype.
Still fucking with you, damn. Is my guy a center or power forward? I can't see.
Stretch big, center.
How can you not... Wait, what's my guy?
I think playmaker.
Yay. Oh, he's playing up. That means ankles are gonna get broken. Why I don't have the right animation? I gotta change that.
I have no stamina. That's a good pass, so.
Dude.
Thank you.
Dude, this Halo theme song.
It's lit. My jam.
Thanks to Quan.
Oh, I was like, did you tip that pass?
Who the fuck is
Oh, nice pick, Tony.
Purple? Keep you bad.
My God,
in my
dude.
circle.
This
My
thing
nuts
is-
hang like ain't no curfew.
Oh, how the heck is that ours?
I will serve you.
Because I blocked
So
it.
you fucking missed it. No.
No, I blocked it.
Uh-oh.
No, I didn't do
How was it
anything.
ours? I was about to say.
No, I didn't.
I was about to say,
Yeah,
no,
I was about to,
how
I was
did
about
you
to get bodied, bro. He was about to end my career.
Oh, I thought you blocked him.
No, he blew it. I'm going off of,
Dylan,
I
shut
blocked
the
him.
fuck up.
I'm going off of the block. I blocked
Get a
him.
grant.
Oh. Okay, let's just make this simple.
The way I
Let's
threw
just
that
make
up
this
too,
simple
it
stuff.
looked... The way I threw it up was like, yeah, this should be so cool.
Tony,
Watch
stretch
it go
big, stretch
over
big.
my head.
Okay.
I just watch it go over my head.
Let's just Jesus Christ.
Dude,
I
pop
got you.
noise is like
Simple.
not that good.
The simple stuff. That wasn't
And then he
simple.
does that dunk.
That wasn't simple.
We're
Not
doing
a
simple,
simple-
Tony.
Minded
Triangle
person.
offense, Tony. Triangle offense, okay?
I'm sorry, we only have 3 fucking people on the court at a time.
Yeah,
And
triangle
when 2 of them are in the
offense.
backcourt, when 2 of them are in the backcourt, it's kind of hard to do the
Triangle offense, Tony. You'll only need 3.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Oh my god, what a layup. Dude,
Wait,
you just
I
took
was
so
changing
much
with the
contact.
volume on my thing. We scored.
Don't worry, we got it.
Don't worry, bro. You're in the hands of a god.
Lit.
Oh,
Oh, I should rip that.
that should have been yours.
And that was a foul.
What the hell did you reach on, dog? The ball is in the air.
Honestly.
The ball is in
Foul.
the air. Starting not to give a fucking stopping the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to
Oh
my
my God.
accomplishment. Waited way too long. I'm floating in and out of consciousness and they said I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take
Oh,
my
it's a
time.
shot clock.
I
Yeah, we-
still believe.
Wow.
Wow.
Defensive
so
breakdown. Right. Thanks, okay?
Exaggerated thing. Nah, I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt cause I'm just mopping like
I think you have my
that.
jumper,
know
don't you?
that you
Oh,
know-
voice
Yeah,
crack.
no, I do. I do.
Okay.
Give me that.
Oh, nice defense, Grant.
Give me that!
Oh my god!
Oh,
This was play from clam defense before the possession started. Yeah, let's go.
Grant for sure would have gotten tech if that was like an NBA.
Yeah, that's a 10.
Fuck off!
Oh, come on! I take like a body layup and then I don't make that.
To the side, not something they know. They know, they know, they know. I'll be showing them money
Okay, I was
0 for 2.
not
I
expecting
need to
that.
get my dribbles back, man. I messed up my dribbles.
I apologize overtime. The old Drake girl, don't tempt me.
Grant.
Oh, yeah, what? What? I was
You
there.
got-
I tried to play Help D. How did I get that?
You play more defense.
Can't matter fact that it's true.
Oh, what
God,
pass.
good pass!
You in.
Use the win.
Oh my god, the play.
Oh,
Dude,
get it back, get it
Get
back!
it, Tony. Oh my
All the way! god.
Oh my god! Where's the calculated at when you need it?
Calculated.
The funniest part was you turned around before that
I
shot even hit the
know.
rim.
Dude, I was so confident in that going in. Oh shit.
Tony, get the guy out
Get
on
the
the wing.
playmaker.
I got Switch.
Alright,
I
switch.
got
Yeah, go
the
back, go
point
back.
guy.
Go back to your regular guys.
Yeah, I know.
Two seconds. Shot
To the
clock.
side.
Make it.
Make
Oh,
it.
he catch it.
Bro, we are some fucking gods.
Clamp God? Wow,
Clam
wow.
gods, offensive superstars.
He read that.
There it
Oh,
is.
wow.
Why can't I lob
Okay,
right now?
let's not throw lobs anymore, please.
At least for this game, because you're lob. You obviously can't lob this game.
Whoa, skirt.
Wow. Challenge accepted.
Dang. Oh, he
I was
thought
blocking
about
that.
it too. He thought about it too.
I was blocking that.
I think we both were, so. Oh, like,
Don't get off it. Oh, that's it.
oh, I'm dead.
Rip Grant.
I didn't get defensive breakdown for that one either. It's lit.
That doesn't. Oh my god.
Doesn't affect me in any way.
Where's the draw foul, coach? How?
I'm an acrobat.
What do you mean how? He had that position.
I'm an acrobat. Thanks.
Have a side job.
I'm a motherfucking star. Look
I got
at the
him.
paint on my car.
I
Too
should've
much
committed.
rim, make the
Yeah.
ride too hard.
I think
Tell
he's a
that bitch,
shot
hop out,
creator.
walk the boulevard.
Not sure.
Bro, Tygo was the GOAT.
Was.
But no one ever.
Oh, no, that was not for you.
Let's just reset.
You know, Tyga's like part Vietnamese. It's pretty elite.
Don't mind the bump.
No! Ah, my bad.
Motherfucking never learned us.
I wasted the whole
Never
time.
learned us.
Yeah, I should have shot it.
Or hit me. Yo, shit,
Skirt.
I'm playing these
Uh-oh.
next questions. Nigga, you ain't no shit. Flexing. No, I'm just flexing. Did you look at you?
Oh. The flashy. Get there.
I was there.
I wish I had a majestic voice like Sam Smith.
I didn't know who
I
to
wish I had
get.
a majestic- Wait, I do have a majestic voice.
Oh, I pressed that back.
I just
Just
haven't
kidding, I
unlocked
already
the
do.
full potential.
I hit those high notes like a
Stop.
fucking champ.
Tony,
That's a midi.
how did I not get that?
Hawaiian
Motherfucking
freezing
never
that.
learned us.
Grant, stop
Worst
reaching so you
behavior.
expose you
Oh,
more.
my heart.
Alright.
10 seconds.
Stop. Who's playing that?
Isn't this song about gay people?
No. His
not-
other one is.
Well, yeah, I think it is.
His
I think
other
it
one
is.
is.
Fags.
Wait, is it?
It has
Dude, you
a
know
gay
Tracer's
couple
a
in it
lesbian?
in the music video.
Ex-boy.
Tracer's a lesbian.
Yeah, I see all that hentai
More
porn.
more. What is it?
There's ads for
Porn
it and
art?
shit.
No.
It's
No,
like,
the new Overwatch
only
comic came
her-
out, and like
is she
Damn.
really?
yeah,
Lit.
it's crazy.
Oh, yeah, Overwatch don't discriminate.
It's like the Christmas comic, bro. Bro, they're like breaking boundaries and shit.
Well,
Like
I mean,
she's like the spokesperson for Overwatch.
I got game.
it's
Pretty
defining.
much.
They
Oh my god.
I remember in my day.
Back in
I got both.